Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Plus. I am the tutor, Adindu. In this video, I will be solving questions 76 to 80 from the Aqua Basic Science 2015 questions. After this video, you will have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in basic science. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 76. One of these vectors does not bite its victim to transmit diseases. A. Mosquito. B. Black fly. C. Tsetse fly. D. Cockroach. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, all of these are vectors and they transmit diseases. Now, which one of them actually don't bite? Basically, not even biting or pierce the skin of the victim, because mosquito don't bite, but it pierces with it doesn't have a structure to bite, but it has what we call a proboscis to pierce its skin, although we can still call it biting. But it's not literally biting as just the way a dog bites or the way an ant will sting. Yeah, just like that way. So they pierce the victim with their instruments. So we can still call it bite. So one of them actually don't bite. And the answer here is cockroach, option D. Mosquito bites, black fly as well bites, the one that causes river blindness, and also tsetse fly bites. But cockroach actually don't bite their victim. I've never heard of someone who said I was bitten by a cockroach. Alright? So our correct answer would be option D, cockroach. Let's look at the next question. Question 77. The body hormones which contribute to body growth are dash and dash. A. Pituitary, thyroxine. B. Adrenaline, estrogen. C. Parathyroid, testosterone. D. Insulin, progesterone. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at all of these options, you agree with me that all of them are hormones? But we need that one that has a combination that brings about growth to the body. Now, if you look at option A, pituitary basically brings about growth to the body. It secretes what we call the growth hormone. It secretes the growth hormone. And this combination would serve as our correct answer. This can serve as our correct answer because estrogen is a sexual hormone or a reproductive hormone. Testosterone is also a reproductive hormone, likewise progesterone. So let's look at the reason why pituitary and thyroxine is our correct answer. Now, through secretion of each hormones, the pituitary gland controls metabolism, growth, you can see it controls growth, sexual maturity, reproduction, blood pressure, and many other vital physical functions and processes. Thyroxine is the main hormone secreted in the bloodstream by the thyroid gland. It plays vital roles in digestion, heart and muscle function, brain development, and maintenance of bones. So if you look at the combination of both, brings about body growth. And that will be our correct answer. Question 77, option A, pituitary, thyroxine is our correct answer. Question 78. The blood vessel from which blood sample is taken for laboratory investigation is A. Artery, B. Vein, C. Arterioles, D. Venules. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, the blood vessel from which blood is taken for laboratory investigation or for clinical investigation is no other than the vein. If you've been to the hospital, you would see the arm is tapped for the vein to become conspicuous so blood can be tapped from it. So the blood vessel where blood is gotten from for laboratory investigation is no other than a vein. Let's look at this explanation. Now, venous blood is the specimen of choice for most routine laboratory tests. The blood is obtained by direct puncture of a vein, most often located in the antecubital area of the arm or the back of the arm. It's either here or the back of the arm. So it is taken from the arm. It is taken from the arm. So correct answer to question 78, option B, vein, is our correct answer. Question 79. The upper part of the heart is known as A, auricles, B, aorta, C, coracle, D, ventricle. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, basically the heart has about 4 chambers, two upper and 2 lower. And the upper chambers, which is the upper part of the heart, is no other than the auricles. The ventricles are the lower chambers. So question 48, auricles, is our correct answer. I'm going to be showing us a picture of the heart so we can get a better understanding and conviction. Now look at it. The atrium is the upper chamber of the heart, and the auricle is the conical muscular pouch that arises from each atrium. So the auricle is the conical part that arises from each atrium. So this is the upper chamber, auricle, and this is the lower chamber, ventricle. So this is the upper chamber of the heart. Alright, question 79, auricles is our correct answer. Question 80. The following are animals that move by crawling except dash and dash. A, snake, lizard. B, chameleon, wall gecko. C, toad, tadpole. D, crocodile, rat. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, this question is an easy one to go by. We know animals that crawl. Snake and lizard actually crawls. They are reptiles, and reptiles crawl. Option B, chameleon and wall gecko are also reptiles. They also crawl. Option C, toad and tadpole. So tadpole is the baby form of a toad, and we know the tadpole swims. It wriggles in water, and it moves by wriggling its tail in water, and a toad jumps. So option C, toad and tadpole, is our correct answer. Crocodile is also a reptile, it crawls. Rat is a mammal, but it also crawls. So the correct answer to question 80 is option C, toad and tadpole. Alright, this is how far we can go with this video. I hope we had fun. Our answers came out quite easy when we analyzed the options. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come, and we can ask questions on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.